नमस्ते बच्चों, मैं आपका हिंदी अध्यापक आज और एक नए टॉपिक के साथ जिसका नाम है कारक। कारक मीन्स व्हाट? केसेस। कारक मीन्स केसेस। In English, like nominative cases are there, possessive cases are there, correct? So in Hindi also karaks are there. So we can see there. Uh, what is karak? I will tell you now. Okay. For example, here you can see there, सारा काम नौकरानी ने किया. Okay. If this ne is not there, if this ne is not there, so how you see there, सारा काम नौकरानी किया? The meaning is not correct. The meaning is not correct if ne is not here. In the second sentence also, पुलिस ने पुलिस ने चोर पकड़ लिया. That much correct sentence is not there. Okay, so this karak, what is there? Noun and pronoun is there. No, noun and pronoun, for connecting noun and pronoun and making it meaningful, making the sentence meaningful, which letters we are using there, that is called cases. In Hindi, karak. हिंदी में उसे कारक कहा जाता है. For example, now you can see there, here these are the karaks. 8 types of karaks are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 types of karaks are there. So in this, karta. First one, what is there? Karta. Karta means what? Subject. So here what is there? The karta subject is doing something. The subject is doing something. And when this ne will come there in the sentence, so that means what? That karta is doing something. जैसे मैंने पढ़ाया, मैंने गाना गाया, मैंने गाना गाया. That means what? I sang. So when this subject is doing something there, when ne is coming there, the remaining thing will be in the past tense. The action will be in the past tense. Means we have completed that. For example, मैंने खाना खाया, morning. Now 12 o'clock, I had my lunch. So you did that. Here karta means what? The subject will do something. Now मैंने लिख लिया, this everything you see there, I have written this. This is past tense now. Correct? Now am I writing now? No, I have written everything. So करता हूँ, I am here. मैं है कि नहीं? मैंने लिख लिया. So when karta karak will be there, when karta karak will be there, ne will come there and the action will be in the past. For example, here सारा काम नौकरानी ने किया. All the works done by the servant. All the works. Who is the doer here? Naukarani. Who is the doer here? Naukarani. Ne kiya means completed. Kiya in the past tense. Ne is showing that she is doing that work. Ne is showing that she is doing. For another example, Ram ne Ravan ko mara. Ravana killed by Rama. Or Ram killed to Ravana. So when ne is coming there, the remaining action will be means we have completed that work. That time only we have to use ne. That time only we have to use ne. So first karak is there, karta. Here what is there? Doer. A subject is doing something. A subject is doing something. Now karma. Here karma karak. Karma karak chinna. What chinna will come there? Ko will come there. What? How to identify? When karma karak will be there, ko will come here. When karta karak will be there, ne will come here. These are the symbols. These are the symbols to identify the cases in Hindi. When karta karak will be there, ne will come there. When karma karak will be there, ko will come there. For example, ko you can see there here now. पुलिस ने चोर को पकड़ लिया. Now you can see there, police ne means police caught the thief. Police caught the thief. The relation is there now. We can see here. Means police is doing something. Okay, this is doing something वर्क, किसी को पकड़ने जा रहा है, ये पुलिस क्या कर रहा है, किसी को, दूसरे को। कर्म मीन्स व्हाट, ऑब्जेक्टिव, कर्म मीन्स व्हाट, ऑब्जेक्टिव। हियर सब्जेक्ट इज देयर, हियर verb is there, correct? Here subject is there, correct? Here liya is verb. So here chor ko what is there, objective, and objective means what, karma. Objective means what, karma. तो किसको पकड़ रहा है, चोर को। means this subject is doing something, he is going to catch somebody or he is going to say something to other persons, correct? So मैंने राम को बचाया, मैंने राम को बचाया, आई सेव द लाइफ ऑफ रामा। सो कर्म, some work we are doing for the other person, some work we are doing for the other person, that is called karma here, okay? Then third one is there, karan, karan karak. When karan karak will be there, what will be the symbol, se will be there and ke dwara will be there, se will be there and ke dwara. For example here, पिताजी बस से, by bus से, this say connected to this Mumbai place and father. Pitaji means what, father, correct? So father went Mumbai by bus, by bus. So say is what is there, he is going, means he has to go here Mumbai. So this Mumbai and Pitaji, father, these words connected by say, करण से के द्वारा, और मैं साइकिल से, आई एम गोइंग बाय साइकिल, मीन्स वी आर यूजिंग समथिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट देयर। सी, मैं चौक से लिख रहा हूँ, मैं चौक से मीन्स while doing a work something we are using their instrument, okay, something we are using there, that time what will come there, karan will come there, ke dwara, के द्वारा। here another one is there, say is there and के द्वारा। मैं विमान के द्वारा, मैं विमान के द्वारा उड़ रहा हूँ, आई एम फ्लाइंग विद द हेल्प ऑफ aeroplane, or wings, with the help of wings, correct? So we are using this, means some instruments we are using there. I am riding the bike there, you are riding, but what, bike, okay? So that time what will come there, karan karak will come there, means you are using something instruments to doing that work, correct? Pen, pencil, when you are writing your classwork there, that time what you are doing there, pencil or pen you are using there. So these are the instruments. So मैं पेंसिल के द्वारा लिख रहा हूँ, मैं पेंसिल के द्वारा लिख रहा हूँ, okay? So something instruments you are using there, okay? Then fourth one is there, sampradhan. Sampradhan, for this what symbols will come there, को, के लिए, हेतु, means one person is there, he is doing something for another, he is doing something. For example, your father brought some books for your cousin, okay, के लिए। now you see there here, ये फल रोगी के लिए है, these fruits are belong to the patient, these fruits are belong to the patient, के लिए means whatever things for some purpose only, okay? Suppose pen your father is bringing there from the shop there, that pen is for your sister or brother, for means what, here will come there, sampradhan will come here, means purpose will come here, for somebody's purpose, somebody will bring things to another person, here purpose will come here, sampradhan, ko, ke liye, ke, hetu. Shirt is there, my father brought this shirt for me, my father brought this shirt for me, मेरे पिताजी ने ये शर्ट मेरे लिए, के लिए इज देयर, मेरे लिए, ओके? और पहनने हेतु, for wearing, who brought, my father, okay? So here purpose will be there, and what will be the symbols, ko and ke liye will be there for sampradhan. When these symbols will be there, ko and ke liye or hetu will be there, that time what will be there, Sampradan will be there. Okay. Then Apadan. Now Apadan, what is the symbol? Say is there. Now you see there here. Here also say is there. This say is connecting. This say is connecting. For example, my chalk से लिख रहा हूं. I am writing with chalk. Okay, here connecting this chalk and this board is connecting with each other. Correct. But this say is there, no? Alag, separating. Separating. This is separating. Now you can see there this chalk is there. I thrown up, again it came down there. Correct. Or from this tree, here tree is there. Correct. This fruit is there. फल नीचे गिर गए यहाँ पर. Means this fruit was hanging here but it departed from the tree and came down. Say alag means it was here but it came departed now. Correct. Now you can see there this pen is there. See, you can see there this pen is here now. Okay, in my pocket. मैंने pocket से pen निकाली अलग, separated. Pocket and this pen separated. Correct. Now this headphone is there. You can see there. I am removing this now. सिर से हट गया अलग. So I have separated this. So when we are separating, that time what will come there? Apadan will come there. What will come there? Apadan. And this say is there connecting to each other. This say Karan. Karan what? मैंने chalk से. See that they touching to each other. Connecting or not? मैं cycle से जा रहा हूँ. I am going by cycle. There we are connecting there, but here we are separating there. Here we are separating. The train just now moved from the station. Railway अभी अभी स्टेशन से निकल गई. Means it was on the station, but just now it moved. Means it was not here now. That place and the train separated. Correct. That train and station separated. Means when we are separating something, that time what will come there? Apadan, say will come there. Alag hona means what? Separation. Now sambandha. Sambandha means what here? Relation. Our relations are there na. Mother, father, brother. Correct. Now I will say there. Bhavika. Bhavika's sister studying in grade 4. Bhavika ki. See, ki came here. Bhavika's sister. Bhavika की बहन कक्षा 4 में पढ़ रही है. Correct. So Bhavika and her sister, their relation came here. Sambandha. Sambandha means what? Relation. When the words connecting the relations, that time what will come there? Sambandha karak will come there. In that what will come there? Ka, ki, ke, ra, ri, re. Hamara. Hamari pen. Meri pen. Me, ri. See there here? Ri. Hamare. Plural is there. Ra. Mera shirt. Mera shirt. Here ke. My mama ke. Gav ja raha hu. I am going to my maternal uncle's home. Here ki. Now Bhavika की sister, बहन कहाँ पढ़ रही है? 4th grade में. का संबंध का here will come there. See there. कपिल का भाई. Kapil also is there and भाई also is there. हर्ष है. Kapil. Harsh is a brother of Kapil. Harsh is a brother of Kapil. So their relation with this ka we understood. With this ka we understood there. Correct? So Kapil ka. For this each letter you can make a sentence there. There is no problem there. But in which sentence this ka, ki, ke, ra, ri, re, this chinna symbols will come there. That time what will be there? Sambandh karak will be there. Okay. Now adhikaran. Adhikaran means here what will be there? May and per will be there. On, in, inside. Your prepositions are there now. Like that. Now you can see there this pen. This pen is on my hand. यह कलम मेरे हाथ पर. Here you see there पर. Is there? पर. यह कलम मेरे हाथ पर है. यह हेडफोन मेरे सिर पर है. This headphone is my on my head, correct? The laptop is on the desk. The laptop is on the desk. On, may, and पर. For example, here you can see there, बच्चा मेज पर बैठा है. The boy sat on the table. Mage means what? Table. The boy sat on the table, correct? So when may will come there, may and per will come there, so that time what will happen there? Adhikaran karak will come there. These are the types of cases in Hindi. There are 8 cases are there, and seventh one what is there? Adhikaran is there, may, per. The symbols are may, per. Okay. मैं घर में ही रहूंगा. I will be at home. मैं घर में, may came there, may, I will be at home. मैं घर में ही रहूंगा. Okay. Now संबोधन is there. संबोधन, हे, अरे, ओ. संबोधन means unexpected, unexpectedly something is happening there. Suddenly something. If you are walking like this or jogging, suddenly if you will see the, suddenly if you will see the snake, what will happen? Like this you will do there now, correct or not? Huh? You will do like this. So that same way what is there? Array. If you are from village there and you are going to big city like Chennai or Bombay, to seeing that buildings, oh my god, what a heighted buildings are there. You are getting surprised there. So that time what will come there? Sambodhan will come there. That time what will be there? Sambodhan karak will be come there. So here all the examples are here of cases, correct? Here what is there? सारा काम नौकरानी ने. Ne where is there? Here is there. What is the कर्ता कारक? Is there. पुलिस ने चोर को पकड़ लिया. को. To whom? चोर को. To another person. Okay. Here doer is there, and past tense action will come there. And here पुलिस ने चोर को पकड़ लिया. पुलिस caught the thief. पिताजी बस से मुंबई चले गए. से. Instrument, what is here? Bus. Father went to Mumbai by bus. By bus. ये फल रोगी के लिए है. These fruits are for the patient. के लिए. के लिए. These fruits are for the patient. के लिए. अपादान, this depart, departure. यह फल पेड़ से गिर गया. से. पेड़ से गिर गया, अलग होना, करेक्ट? ये पेन मेरे हाथ से अभी गिर गई, ऐसे, करेक्ट? सो दिस इज व्हाट? डिपार्टिंग. इट वाज इन माय हैंड, ओके, एंड इट केम इनटू दिस हैंड, करेक्ट? सो फ्रॉम दिस हैंड टू दिस हैंड, डिपार्टेड, सेपरेटेड, करेक्ट? व्हेन योर टीथ विल fall down, that time it will be in the mouth and it will fall down. That is also तुम्हारा दांत या मेरा दांत मुंह से नीचे गिर गया. This teeth fell down, correct? So from here to there, separated, correct? Or you are taking out the cover of fruits. मैंने बास्केट से केला निकाला. I have taken the banana from the basket. It was in the basket. Say basket too in your hand, correct? So what will come there? Apadan will come there. Sambandh, kaki, ke, these all का. राम का भाई श्याम. Sham and Ram, with this ka, their relation we can understand. Bhavi ka ki bahan. When feminine will be there, that time ki will come there. K. Plural will be there, means bhavi ka ke relatives aa rahe hai. Okay. Or darshan ke relatives means parijan. They are coming here. Correct? K. Correct? Then Rari. Mera kitab. This book is mine. Mera. What is this? Mera. And this, यह मेरी कलम है. This one. This pen is mine. This pen is mine. And these all children are my students. These all children are मेरे. ये सभी मेरे विद्यार्थी है. So what is a relation we can see where संबंध कारक. What will come there? का, की, के, रा, री, रे. अधिकरण what will be there? में, पर. में, पर. में. मैं घर में ही रहूंगा. ओके. और here, पर, the book is on the table. संबोधन, हे, अरे, ओ. You will call somebody suddenly. Oh, where are you going? You will say there like this. Or, hey, how are you? You will say there suddenly. Correct? By phone also, when you are calling there, hi Rajiv, how are you? जब तुम पूछते हो तब क्या होता है? संबोधन कारक होता है. अरे, suddenly if you are saying anything, what will happen there? The word will come out there suddenly. Are, oh my God, like this. So that time what will be there? Sambodhan will be there. So like this, in exam, what will ask there? You see there, whether you have to, this left side will be given there. This you have to write there. Symbols you have to write there. Or sometimes what will happen there? Questions. Find out. These symbols will be given in the questions, and you have to find out that which cases it is. Which cases it is. Ne will be there means karta karak. Ko will be there means karma karak. Se ke dwara will be there means karan karak. Ko ke liye hetu will be there means sampradan karak. से will be there separation mode आपादान कारक. संबंध का, की, के, रारी, रे. अधिकरण में और पर. And sambodhan, he, are, o. If this will be there, so you have to find out that, like these examples will be there. Or sometimes what will be there, like these sentences will be there. Underline the cases given in the sentences. So what you have to underline? This ne you have to underline. This ko you have to underline. This say you have to underline. This ke liye you have to underline. And this paid say you have to underline. Ka, per, and are. So these are the cases you have to underline there. I hope that you have understood these cases there. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day.